What happened after the ice cream cone became popular at the fair? The passage states that after the fair, several people claimed to have invented the cone. While it's true that the question doesn't necessarily ask us what happened immediately after the fair, this is a good fact to keep in mind as we take a look at our choices. A. Several people claimed credit for inventing the idea. This is the concept we just pointed out in the passage. As this is the first event the passage records as happening after the fair, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the rest of our choices just to be sure. B. Ernest Hamwi's pastry stand became the most famous at the fair. While Hamwi is mentioned, the passage never says his stand became the most famous, so we can mark this choice off. C. Machines for making cones were developed and used at the fair. Machines are mentioned, but the passage tells us they were invented in 1912, several years after the fair. Although we can assume that they were used at the fair, the passage makes no explicit mention of if these machines were used there. This choice can be marked off. And D. The cone's popularity led to a rise in new flavors of ice cream. It's true that the passage mentions gelato in Italy and matcha ice cream in Japan, as well as mentioning the rise of mass-produced ice cream, but nowhere does it show examples of new ice cream flavors resulting directly from the cone's popularity. As this choice isn't backed up in the text, we can mark it off and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.